Hi guys, welcome to Codenbox Automation Lab. This is Sharpal. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to handle HTTPS certification issue in Selenium. So before we understand the issues or problem, we have to understand what is HTTPS. So assume that you are a client or a user who send email or wants to buy something from Amazon.com. So as a end user, what do you want? We want to make sure that no one has read my message, no one has changed my message, or no one has access your Amazon account or your order details, right? To ensure this security, HTTPS protocol came into the picture. So it is a secure protocol, okay? And they ensure the security between the communication happen between the client and the server, and they are commonly used in web browsing and email server. So what is HTTP means? So HTTPS means, so one part is HTTP, we all know, hypertext transfer protocol, and S is means SSL, or secure socket layer, or TLS. It's called transport layer security. So both are the protocols over the internet that provide, secure communication between the client and server. So the client, it means where the user is the client, and the server is like example where this application hosted, like Amazon, they host their application on their server, Amazon server. From there, all this application is running, getting all the data, and storing all the information, client information, order history, everything, right? So, and also SSL, even though it's a very common, the keyword we all know, we are familiar with SSL certificate, but SSL is not anymore the latest certification. After 2019, TLS is, become the latest certification. So SSL or TLS provide the data encryption, data integration, and authentication. Those are the three layers of security or protection it's provide. Okay, or technology, you can say, applied to ensure our communication is secure. Okay, so what exactly happened if any application, their SSL or TLS certification got expired? So this is an extra layer of security. This service can be expired or blocked. What exactly happens? So let's an example. So here is an one page or application is self signed, badssl.com. If you go this side, it will land you on this page. This is not the actual site, but since this site doesn't have the SSL certification or TLS certification, you can see it's not secure. So it will land you on this warning page that it will confirm as a user, hey user, this site, this communication is not private, it's not secure. If you still want to proceed, there is an advance and there is a link over here, you can click, and then it will land you the page. But some reason, if your application, your production application, or your testing application, sometimes test, not definitely not production, shouldn't be out of SLA, but even your testing environment, the application, web application, some reason it's known issue, or some reason it's blocked and it's out of SLA, or SSL or TLS. So it will fail your execution, because through this your application URL, it's supposed to land on the home page, but it will land on this page. So that time, you need to write some extra code. You have to know how to handle or overcome this issue, so that this unsafe or out of SLS certification issue cannot block your application. Okay, we'll learn this technique, how we can overcome that issue. Okay, let's get back to our Eclipse. So in our Eclipse, I created a one class. I give a name SSL certification, test, or whatever you can say, and there is our main method, right? And then here is that the prerequisite code, as you know, that's create an object of Chrome driver if you want to run on Chrome driver, maximize the window, and this is the URL, right? If I want to get, let's see, I want to driver dot get title. I want to get the title of this application. Let's see what happened. Okay, get title, and let's put this one in our this out. So I will print the title of that page. Okay, you will see that how it will mismatch or how it will fail. Okay, just by the way, for this application, the actual uh, title is this self-signed, badssl.com. This is the title of this page. But let me see, let me copy this one. Let me run it, save it, run it. I'm going to run. Let's see what happened. So as usual, it will launch and it will get this, the connection, or the unsafe, or this, as out of SLA, this page. So let's close this, and you can see the it's printed the title. It's privacy error. It's not the. It's supposed to be this one. It should be this one. This is the title, but the right now is printing title this. So your test case definitely will fail. So because it didn't land the right page, it didn't land the home page. That's why it's not. It's giving you the different, or the wrong title, because currently it's landing in this page, and this page it has a, you can see the title is privacy error. Okay, so now we'll see that how we can overcome that. So to overcome or skip this, this page, we can uh we can let's go back to here. We can use a Chrome browser, option, or we can set a Chrome browser behavior. Here is like, we said, uh, we declare the create an object of Chrome driver. So for the Chrome browser, the default behavior, this driver will work on Chrome browser. And what is the default behavior of Chrome driver or Chrome browser? It will work as it is. But we can make a choice. We can set a behavior, or a specific behavior we can set for a browser, so that we can say, hey browser, if you find this out of SLS certification issue, you can ignore that, you can accept it. It means you can ignore that and go to the actual land page. We can do this. So to do this, the Chrome, so let's the Chrome, there is a class. So let's create an object of a class is called, for Chrome browser is called ChromeOptions. ChromeOptions. So ChromeOption is a class in Selenium library that can help you to set behavior, specific behavior for your Chrome browser. So create an object. Let's put in object reference opt, and the return type would be ChromeOption, right? Let's hover your mouse, import the package for the ChromeOption class, and then now you can use opt dot. You can see in this class, in this object, there's a lots of method, right? There's a lots of method. So one of the method is called, you can see this add argument, add extension. If you need to ever work on an extension, you can use it. You can see there's lots of, even it's a get capability. You can use the get capability, or set capability, right? Set x. You can see there is a method is called set. Let me zoom it. I can show again. It's called set. Set, where is the set proxy, set capabilities. You can use set capabilities too. This is one option. Or other than, you can directly call, there's a method is called set. Let me type set accept. You can see set accept in insecure certification. So this is the one, and it's expect boolean expression inside as a parameter. So let's select this one. So, and then I will say true. So what does it mean? It means I'm setting as an option for the Chrome browser that you can accept accept insecure certification if your application, if the browser shows the insecure certification or out of SLA or TLS certification, you can accept it. It means you can ignore it. That's why I pass over here a true, the Boolean value. So now this our Chrome options is been set with this option, and this browser opt, it has the knowledge about this exceptional or options or behavior, right, for the Chrome browser. So this behavior have to pass over here, because over here my Chrome driver have the knowledge about regular behavior of the Chrome browser. So if I pass this opt over here, this exceptional or Chrome option behavior will apply in moving forward whenever we'll execute any script in Chrome browser. Okay, so let me save it now, run it. Here you can see now it's automatically skip that page. If you remember that, what was our page? If I show you, so it was at the beginning, it shows this unsecure page, but now our code skipped that unsecure page and directly land on this page. This is the actual home page. Now you will see the title is, this is the title, the self-signed badssl.com. If I close this one, if you see the title is this. So now it's matching our title. So that's the way your Chrome option class or object can help you to overcome any SSL secure problem. Okay, so it's the same thing you can do if you want. You can do for the same method will applicable for the Firefox too. You can create an object for the Firefox. Let me show you again here for the Firefox. So new Firefox option. So same, create an object for the Firefox, and I will give a object reference opt1. Let's copy this one for the Firefox, and then let you know uh, make a comment. Sorry, let's make a comment for this two guy, so that we can use the Firefox. So import the package related to the Firefox. So the opt1, let's make it, the object is opt1, and then create a copy for the Firefox driver. So we'll save Firefox over here, Firefox driver, right? So let's make a comment for the Chrome one. So create an import the object for related to Firefox, right? Okay, Firefox, and let's make sure this is the Firefox option object reference is match over here. All right, right. So let's run it. Okay, there is a Firefox invoked. There you go. You can see. Okay. And so similar way, if you want, you can do on Safari even, right? I'm not going to do a Safari because it's a Windows machine, but you can do a Safari. We can create an object of Safari options, the class, and then object reference, and then use the same call the same method, set this option, set acceptance accept insecure certification, and pass the true Boolean value. And same, you can create an object reference of the Safari driver, and same way you can do, right? And make sure that you add at the end driver.quit, right? Okay, so that's all pretty much. That's the way you can handle your SSL or your TLS certification issue. Okay, bye bye.